When I first got this 2021 911 Carrera, I had a rattle in it, and I could not find where that rattle was coming from. No matter where I sat in the car, it always sounded like it was somewhere else. So I kept exploring and exploring, and I finally got a solution. So I found this lubricant called Crytox, and I'll put a link in the description. And I basically put this on all of the weather stripping, all the way around, all the entire sunroof, and then did it on the other side. And the the rattle went away. It was very expensive for this little tube. It was $25 on Amazon, and I thought that was quite expensive. But the fact that it fixed the problem and I didn't have a rattle anymore was just spectacular. So I put the description again in the link. And if you're having a rattle you can't find in your 911, this is a 992. But if you have a sunroof and you've got a rattle and you can't figure out where it is, try buying the grease and applying it to the weather stripping. So for close-up, I want to kind of show you, this is where the weather stripping is, right under here. And same thing for the front. It's all under here. I'll tell you, it does the trick. And make sure you do all four corners. If you like this content, please consider subscribing. My goal is to get to 1,000 by the end of the year. Thank you.